of the week with me? Let's go meet my friends, one for each day. Monday. On Monday, I met Max the monkey. We climbed tall trees and laughed all day. Monday is the start of a brand new week. Tuesday. On Tuesday, I met Tina the tiger. We ran through the jungle, fast and fun. Tuesday is full of adventure. Wednesday. On Wednesday, I visited whale Wanda. She splashed water high into the sky. Splash, splash. Wednesday means we're halfway through the week. Thursday. On Thursday, I had tea with Tortoise Toby. He told me to always take my time and do things right. Thursday teaches us patience. Friday. On Friday, I met Foxy the Fox. We danced and sang together. Friday is a day for fun and smiles. Saturday. On Saturday, I swam with Sammy the seal. We made big splashes in the water. Saturday is for play. Sunday. On Sunday, I rested with Sunny the bird. We watched the sunset and sang a gentle song. Sunday is peaceful and calm. Yay! Now we know all the days of the week. Let's say them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Great job, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time on Dino Fun Learning.